This zombie Sasquatch update is brought to you by Bob's Pawn Shop, 3713 MacArthur, North Little Rock, 771-2340. $5, Paulie.
Hey everybody, look here, it's Woody Willie, and I want to tell you something now. If you're looking at me and you can't see my zombie helmet, and you can't see my zombie Charge Truce colored shirt, then that means you're a zombie. Because zombies can't see this. See, that's what Paulie, my second cousin twice removed, Vinnie Paulie Bobby, he's been studying up on the zombies, and he's the one that told me to watch Walking Dead, that documentary about zombies. I've learned an awful lot about them. But I have this secret plan that I ain't telling everybody about when I'm telling my internet's updates, people. Oh, you know what? I ain't got my headphone on. Just a minute, I gotta get my headphone because I'm on a call, official call tonight. I got done. I had to take a little part-time job, and that part-time job is I'm stacking groceries down there at the Kroger store. But they say they ain't gonna need me after Christmas. I think it's because I scared an old lady down there. That's all right. And anyway, I am truly official now. See, I've been getting in trouble. Because like when I went looking for Paulie, and he was in the hospital, and he done had him a heart attack, you know. And he nearly died, and he seen the light at the end of the tunnel. And he was hovering around over his body. But anyway, he's better now. We got him all fixed it up. But anyway, when I went looking for him at the hospital, he wouldn't tell me where he was. But I never did get to see him because the police came and got me because I had my zombie killing sword. That's this right here. That's part of what I learned on The Walking Dead. And then now, see, I got this Charge Truce color helmet that the zombies can't see. And they also can't see my shirt. Look at what he did. Bob's Pawn Shop, 3713 MacArthur, North Little Rock, 771-2340. That's $10, Paulie. I'm going up on my prices. And anyway, and I got this, and so now, see right here, it says Zombie Security. See it right there? And that ought to tell them, when they see me come in, they ought to say, that's a pretty official looking guy now. Because I got my zombie helmet, it says Levy Zombies Are. And it says it on the sides. And it says it in the back. So nobody's going to have no doubt who I am. Now, for those of you that are new on my Woody Willie updates, you know I have to wear this because the zombies put off a gas. And that gas will eat your brain, and that's what they're trying to do. So I got my sword, because Walking Dead says you cut their heads off, and that's when the gas comes out. But Paulie got me this gas mask, and I have to do like this every once in a while to get some air inside, because I think that something ain't set right, because sometimes I passed out one time. I got hypoxia or something like that. But anyway, so I got all this new equipment, and I got a plan. You might see me, and you might see Vinnie Paulie Bobby, and I know you're going to see Merlene, because we're going to go to Burns Park, and I'm going to use Merlene for Squatch bait. Now, a Sasquatch is a big hairy animal that this guy named Bobo on another documentary channel, he's been trying to catch one. But I got it all whooped up on him. I'm going to, see, they ain't never caught one. He's a silly guy. He gets out in the woods and shoots off firecrackers and says the zombie's going to come. And then he goes, oh, he hollers like that, and the zombie, he's stupid. I'm going to catch a zombie. And I'm going to catch a zombie, but I'm going to catch a Sasquatch too, because I have a secret weapon. A Sasquatch call. Now, technically you might think it's a duck call, but I have turned it into a Sasquatch call with consultation of Uncle Si Robertson of Duck Commander in West Monroe, Louisiana. So I called Si and he said, why, heck yeah, Jack. He called me Jack. He kept calling me Jack. And I said, my name ain't Jack. My name's Woody. He said, I don't care, Woody Jack. So anyway, he said, yeah, what you got to do is you take this call, and I got to lift this up, and you go, ah! And you notice I had that little cough in there, because he said, you got to do that, because that'll get it. And that was a female Squatch call saying, I'm ready for a boyfriend. So what I'm gonna do, this is the secret plan, and don't you tell nobody, because I'm gonna make a lot of money off this. I'm gonna catch a Sasquatch, and then I'm gonna catch another Sasquatch, and we're gonna have Sasquatch babies, and then they're going to guard us from the zombies. And that's my plan. And that's my platform. And I'm gonna run for some kind of office, and that's gonna be my plan. And that's going to be what my claim to fame is. I'm going to say, I protected everybody from the zombies, and you had better vote for me. Ah! And that's a zombie. I mean, Sasquatch. Hold on. Polly, I know it's you when you beep in. What do you want? Over. I said over. I told him you got it for me and gave it to me. I'm a-doing it now. Don't worry, I'm a-giving you credit. Yes, I did that too. Over. Where's Appy? I want to talk to Appy. I don't want to talk to you no more. Hi, Appy. Would you kick Polly in the Polly butt for me? He told me he's going to be on TV again tonight. I'm getting sick of him being a movie star. Wait a minute, I gotta do my... That could be a Sasquatch. Hold on. Ah! Ah! I didn't hear no Sasquatch answer. But it got the bird stirred up. Damn bird, shut up. Yeah. Polly, what happened to Appy? Oh, she had to go pee? Over. Okay. That's alright. You can do that. I'll be ready. Over. Okay. Alright, everybody. So that's the end of this update. It was a real quick one. I just wanted to show you my new gear. So if you see me out with my zombie security thing on and all that, my gasket mask, so now you know what that gasket mask for. I got my call to catch a Sasquatch. And we're really gonna save this community from the zombies. That's what we're gonna do. Because I got a sword. Go to Bob's Pawn Shop, 3713 Carson, North Little Rock, 7712340, and buy you something. Because he really needs the business. Okay, I'll see you, everybody. Woody Willie loves you. Merry Christmas. Bye.
This update has also been brought to you by the Sunshine Store. Hugh and Jody run it, and that's one of their friends' right there with them now. And what they do over there is they sell all kinds of stuff, but why I like it is they cook my favorite meal, and that's a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich with ice-cold milk. And of course, everybody knows this is my beloved Merlene. She's going to help me catch a Sasquatch. She's going to be my Sasquatch bait. And then one of the other things I want to tell you about is my friend Davey Borrell at the Borrell's Garage. There's something down there. Hold on. I'm hearing the walkie-talkie. Hold on, I gotta go. Woody Willie's gotta get out of here because that's a zombie alert. I'm heading out. See you later. I hope I don't die. If I do, I love every one of you, and I hope to see you again. Go to Bob's. Bye.